Hi, in today's video, I proved that I was not a complete moron for building our extension slash snowbox thing here. If you haven't seen that, I attempted to add on to our little blade on the mini excavator and broke it immediately. I went back in and removed the little wings that were on the end of our box and then retightened where it mounted here and went and pushed some snow. And I have some video of that for you. So you can check that out and let me know what you think. I think it turned out great and it held up. Here's a little patch that I did before trying to film. And you can see how much better that looks. And we got a nice pile there. That's 2 passes. I'm going to aim for that bigger pile back here and try to use the main blade to hit right into it because that's still kind of hard here. And then let the wings just catch the rest of it and push off into the side there. So let's grab it and I'll show you. There's a little view of it. Hey, I've got a little bit of bonus footage before we did the wings and this piece on it, and it was just where you can see as the original black blade there. That was the first time I ever tried pushing snow with it, and sorry, I only left the camera set in one spot because I really wasn't expecting it to push snow very good. But you can get a little idea of that. So this is just kind of bonus footage for you if you've been thinking about wanting one of these or curious if they can actually move any snow. So what do you guys think? That seemed to hold up pretty good, and I've pushed a decent amount today. And with it 6 feet wide, you cut it a little bit in half. You're still probably doing 10 feet in one push. So if we get another big snowstorm, that'll be pretty nice. Also, side note, I learned why you're not supposed to leave these up in the air. When I went to tighten this, I definitely put my dome piece right into the side of that. It might be Chinese steel, but it's still pretty hard. I wouldn't recommend running into that with your forehead. That's going to be it for me. Hope you enjoy this little short video. And, now you can see that it does push some snow. So we'll see you next time.